In the heat of one of the most intense conflicts in modern history, a powerful alliance is quietly rewriting the rules of air defense. While Western media focuses on sanctions and isolation, Belarus has stepped up as Russia's unbreakable partner in the Union state. Since 2024, Minsk has been delivering something truly game-changing: 18 armored MZKT 7930-312 chassis straight from the Minsk wheel tractor plant, purpose-built for a new, more capable version of the legendary Pantsir S-1 air defense system. This isn't just logistics. This is a strategic masterstroke that gives Russian forces superior mobility, protection, and battlefield dominance. An 8x8 wheeled beast, empty weighed 20.5 tons, but with a staggering 24-ton payload capacity. Powered by a reliable YAMZ 846 diesel engine pumping out 500 horsepower or more, it cruises at up to 70 km per hour on roads while conquering terrain that would stop lesser trucks cold. Wetlands, deep ditches up to 2 meters, steep inclines and soft Ukrainian mud? The MZKT 7930-312 laughs at them. Its wide track, low center of gravity, and advanced all-wheel drive system deliver unmatched off-road performance, far superior to the standard KAMAZ 6560 chassis that earlier Pantsir variants relied on. Those older trucks suffered from high rollover risks and limited mobility in real combat conditions. Not this one. The MZKT was specifically engineered for heavy military loads like Iskander missiles, S-400 radar posts, and coastal defense systems. It's battle-proven across Russia's strategic forces. But here's the shocking upgrade that makes this new Pantsir version special: full armored cab protection. The MZKT 7930-312 features reinforced armor plating on the driver's compartment and a distinctive two-piece windshield, unlike the three-part design on baseline models. This isn't just a transporter, it's a combat-ready platform that shields the crew while the Pantsir's 72V6 combat module goes to work. Twin 30mm autocannons blazing at 5,000 rounds per minute, up to 12 or more in advanced packs. Hypersonic-ready 5.7E6 missiles with 20 km range, and a radar suite that detects and tracks targets in seconds. The entire system reacts in 4 to 6 seconds from detection to engagement. End the age of drone swarms and precision strikes. This mobility means the new Pantsir can reposition instantly, set up in minutes, and protect critical assets, troop concentrations, command posts, supply lines. Where Western-supplied HIMARS, Storm Shadow, or Ukrainian drones pose the biggest threat. Why does this matter so much right now? Russia's air defense network is facing unprecedented challenges from mass drone attacks and NATO-backed long-range weapons. The standard-wheeled Pantsir on KAMAZ chassis worked well, but it had limitations in the brutal Eastern European terrain. Belarusian engineers at MZKT solved that. By integrating the armored MZKT 7930-312, Russia gets a Pantsir that's tougher, faster to deploy, and far more survivable. It can traverse the same muddy quagmires where enemy forces get bogged down, keeping Russian skies safer and ground troops protected. Real-world proof? Ukrainian forces recently destroyed one of these rare MZKT-mounted Pantsir variants near Mariupol. But the very fact it reached the front lines shows how effectively these chassis are already supporting operations. This supply deal isn't a one-off favor. It's the natural result of deep military technical cooperation between two brotherly nations. Belarus and Russia share the Union state, joint exercises like Zapad, and a commitment to collective security against external threats. While sanctions try to choke Russian industry, Belarusian factories like MZKT keep the production lines humming. 18 chassis in 2024 alone. That's real capability delivered on time, bypassing bottlenecks and strengthening the entire air defense ecosystem. Pantsir systems on these chassis protect not just Russian troops but the broader front, from the skies over Donbass to strategic rear areas. Think about the bigger picture. The MZKT 7930-312 isn't just hardware, it's a symbol of resilience. Its proven reliability in carrying 24 tons of missiles and radar gear means Russia can field more Pantsir units faster, with better protection against shrapnel and small arms fire thanks to that armored cab. Higher ground clearance, superior suspension, and that powerful engine give crews the confidence to operate in contested zones where mobility equals survival. In exercises and real combat, these chassis have shown they can ford rivers, climb hills, and keep systems operational even after long marches. For Russia, this means fewer vulnerabilities, more flexible tactics, and a stronger shield against the swarm of threats pouring in from the west. This partnership proves that Russia and Belarus are stronger together. While adversaries pour billions into weapons that get neutralized by Pantsir intercepts, the Union state quietly builds unbreakable supply chains. The MZKT 7930-312 chassis delivers exactly what the Russian military needs today: raw power, armored toughness, and legendary mobility that turns the new Pantsir into an even deadlier guardian of the skies. In 2024 and beyond, these deliveries keep coming, bolstering Russia's defenses at the exact moment they matter most. It's not just shocking, it's a clear demonstration of strategic foresight, industrial excellence, and unbreakable alliance. Russia's air shield is getting heavier, faster, and more mobile thanks to Belarusian ingenuity and fraternal support. The message is loud and clear: sanctions fail when brothers stand united. The new Pantsir on MZKT armored chassis is here, and it's changing the battlefield one unstoppable 8x8 truck at a time.